I like to see those age spans there in the marriages. And then if you'll come back about 3 weeks, they're back in the divorces. That's why I wanted somebody my age when I got married. Yeah. No, I didn't settle for less. No. You want to sit here? That deal didn't work. Jared Perkins, Elkland, will be our next puller. Tractors, Friday night, we'll have, I believe there's 9 classes of tractors, something like that. Pickups, Saturday night, the hot ones. We got a lot going on at the fair, the Time to Bet Rodeo tomorrow night. They have re-weighted the sled. Rodney turned that pull down, so we're just starting here with Jared Perkins, number 1 puller. Down, so he will be coming back. Okay. Jared Perkins, Elkland with a 95 Ford. 301.25 feet. 301.25. Keith Newton from Mansfield will be our Mansfield, I believe, will be our next puller. Is that right? How come you know everybody? They just told you. Oh, huh? Yeah, that's right. You told me, don't you? And if they've got an empty beer can in the trunk, you keep it till their car till the next week, right? Yeah. Sled furnished here this evening by the Southern Missouri Truck and Tractor Pulling Association. Dwayne Medlin is the boss. The Castro boy is doing the track work out here this evening. Kevin Cantrell and Mike Cantrell doing the landscaping out here, and that's what you would call it. Kevin got married? Really? Really? Who would marry that sucker? She's not from Russia? I bet he bought one out of Mexico. I might not ought to be saying that quite so. Huh? We may. Where's your daughter? Playing volleyball. Keith Newton, Mansfield, will be our next puller. Brienne done that. Here we go. Mansfield. Let's put our hands together, guys. Once that you have pulled, we need you to move your pickups to the pit area, please. Need your pickups to the pit area. say that. It wasn't me. Yeah, that's enough capital. For 182.87 feet. 182.87. Is she gone? Good. Oh, she wasn't gone enough, was she? Well, let's see. We've been here 30 minutes. You got to make somebody mad quick. That gives you some sympathy, right? Not much. Jeff Brinkley on deck, Marshfield pickup puller, 76 Chevy. He did get a nice looking wife for Kevin. I mean, he is just really sharp, right? He is just Kevin. Ron and I hauled him and he came back up to the store this afternoon. We put him in the back of the truck. Put our hands together, folks. 160.53. 160 feet, .53. You know, Eugene is a little bit, hate to tell you this, because I know you're kind of friends. Kinda. But he's involved with Neil in buying the dog food for your dog. So, yeah. I've seen him at the store. It sure is. Billy Newton on deck, Mansfield, 85 Chevy. There's a lot going on at the Webster County Fair, you know it. Just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I bet Bill Roberts is in charge of this, isn't he? Yeah, you know what? He brought us a half a season pass. I mean, you talk about conservative, Bill Roberts is tight. He said, if you do a good job, I'll bring you the other half Monday. Billy Newton, Mansfield, will be our next puller. Bill's not married, is he? We might just find him somebody here at the fair, you know. I've seen one